Welcome to Tokyo, a city where tradition meets the future. Captured in stunning 4K and dreamily transformed with the tilt-shift effect, Tokyo becomes a living miniature, a world of light, motion, and endless rhythm. Here, every second feels alive. 0:20 to 0:50. The heart of motion, Shibuya and Shinjuku. Our journey begins above Shibuya Crossing, a river of people flowing in perfect chaos. From this height, each person looks like a tiny note in a grand symphony. Tilt Shift turns the city into a vibrant model, where taxis and trains weave patterns through the neon glow of Shinjuku's towers. .50 to 120, temples and tranquility, Asakusa and Ueno. Beyond the glass and steel lies another Tokyo, calm and sacred. At Sensoji Temple in Asakusa, smoke from incense drifts through the air as people bow in quiet prayer. The miniature view reminds us that even in a city of millions, stillness endures. Tokyo is not just energy, it is balance. 120 to 150. The icons, Tokyo Tower and Rainbow Bridge. Across the skyline, Tokyo Tower rises like a beacon of warmth. Its orange frame glows above a sea of buildings, a symbol of connection and hope. Farther south, Rainbow Bridge stretches gracefully across Tokyo Bay, a shining thread between islands, history, and dreams. 150 to 220. The flow of life, trains and lights. As night falls, trains race beneath glowing billboards. Each light, each reflection becomes part of a living canvas. Through tilt shift, Tokyo feels like a toy world, small in scale, yet vast in emotion. Every flicker of light holds a story, every movement a pulse. 220 to 250, reflection and closing. In this miniature Tokyo, we see the beauty of order and chaos intertwined. The city never sleeps, yet it never loses its calm. Thank you for joining this journey above Japan's capital, a place where time, technology, and tradition coexist in perfect harmony. 2:50 to 3 o'clock, call to action. If you enjoyed this cinematic flight over Tokyo, please like, comment, and subscribe. Join me again for more journeys through miniature worlds, where every frame tells a story.